Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about chapter 11, that is dual nature of radiation and matter, and in that we'll start with the topic of electron emission and its types. So first is, what is electron emission? So electron emission is the phenomena of emission of electrons from a metal surface when suitable energy is supplied to it. So this is and this energy may be supplied by various sources depending on which we have different types of different types of electron emission. So here we'll discuss types. First is thermoionic emission. So when this energy is supplied in the form of heat, so when electron emission takes place from a metal surface, on getting energy in the form of heat. So this kind of emission of electrons or electron emission is called as thermoionic emission. Second is field emission. So when this energy is supplied in the form of high electric field. So when high electric field results in supplying the energy to the electrons on a metal surface, then these are freed from the metal surface, and this kind of electron emission is called as field emission. So when electrons are emitted from the metal surface due to energy supplied by high electric field. High electric field means what order? Nearly 10 to the power 8 volt per meter. This is the order of the electric field when it is supplied. The energy of this high electric field is supplied and the electrons are emitted from the metal surface. And this kind of emission of electrons is called as field emission. Third is photoelectric emission. So when electrons are emitted from the metal surface due to the energy supplied by light falling on it. Then this kind of electron emission is called as photoelectric emission. The last is secondary emission. What happens in this? When high energy electrons strike a metal surface, supply the energy to the electrons on the metal surface, and those electrons are freed from the metal surface. That the electrons freed from the metal surface are called secondary electrons, and this kind of emission is called as secondary emission. So here when electrons are emitted from the metal surface due to the energy supplied by high energy electrons falling on it, right? The ejected electrons here are called as secondary electrons. Right? So here, these are the four types of electron emissions. Now, when we are discussing about the electron emission, we need to recall the concept of work function. To understand this, let's consider a metal surface. This is your metal surface where we have electrons, free electrons, but ions also, right? Now these electrons are bound to the ions with some attractive forces. So energy required to free an electron from metal surface is called as work function. Without getting that energy, these electrons cannot be freed. So what is work function? We can define it. The minimum energy required to free an electron from a metal surface. So this work function is generally denoted by phi naught, right? And cesium has minimum work function, and platinum, I think it's platinum has maximum work function. So that's all for now. Have a nice day.